Guys, if you want to know how I make this pizza bread, please stay tuned and watch. Okay guys, here is my farina. So I've already poured it inside the bowl. Then I mix it with water. You can see the farina here. This is Tipo 00. It's an Italian farina. You can also get it at the supermarket. Okay, so I added water, a little bit of salt and yeast. Then I started to turn it. You will turn it until you form a dough. Okay. Okay, after mixing it, this is how it came out. Okay, here is the dough. So right now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then after adding the olive oil, I'm still going to mix it together. Okay, so mix it very well. You have to turn it together so that you can form a nice dough of your choice, just like as I'm doing right now. So after that, this is how it came out. Then I'm going to cover it and leave it for about 1 hour. Okay, now let's prepare the ingredients. So I'll be using spinach. This is Italian spinach. You can see it's a 1 kilo. Okay, this is frozen one. So I'll be adding it inside my pot. I'm going to defrost it. Then after that, I'll fry it. I'll add onions and some ingredients. So I'll still be showing you in this video. So guys, stay tuned. Enjoy this video. Let's go. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm adding the fresh spinach inside my pot. You can see how it looks. Okay, I bought it at the supermarket just like this. Then I'm going to defrost it right now before using it to make this delicious pizza. Okay. So guys, these are all my ingredients. You can see it here. I have onions, I have spinach. This is the spinach I told you earlier. So I finished frying it. Then I have boiled eggs here. This is 2 eggs. Then I use tomatoes paste. I make this tomatoes paste with oil, onions, and there's some cube of Maggi. Then here is my dough after 1 hour. So let me open it so that you guys will see how it looks. You can see it here. So just 1 hour. This is how it looks. So right now I'm going to remove it inside my bowl. Then I'm going to spread it with my hands. Okay, you can still spread it with your kitchen roll and everything if you have kitchen roller, so you can still spread it. Let me show you once again the ingredients. You can see the ingredients here. This recipe is so healthy. There is no fat, nothing. It's very, very healthy. So guys, let me show you how I do the pizza bread. So right now I added olive oil again. So I'll be using my hand to spread it. Like I said before, if you have kitchen roll, you can still use kitchen roller to roll it. I have that one. You can see it here, but I just prefer to use my hand to widen it. To spread it. Okay. So after spreading it, I'll be adding the ingredients one after the other. So I'm still going to show you guys how I do everything, the process. You can see it now. I finished spreading everything. So it looks so beautiful, guys. Oh my God, I don't know why. I love cooking. I love cooking. Okay, so this is how I spread it. It's very, very easy. So easy to make. If you have kids in your house, trust me, your kids are going to like this recipe. Okay, so guys, this is it. After spreading it, I add my spinach, onions, eggs, I added some black pepper, oregano, then I added a little bit of salt. Okay, so then again I added olive oil. You can see it. Oh my God, this is so beautiful, so delicious, and so easy to make. Then I will be showing you how I fold it. Just look at it. So I fold it like this and put it inside my frying pan. I'm going to be using gas cooker to bake this amazing delicious bread. I saw this recipe in one channel in YouTube. So the person that make this delicious recipe use gas cooker to bake it. So I decided to give it a try. I said, okay, I'm going to use it how I saw it. Okay, I'm going to use the gas cooker. So right now I just covered it. I put it in my gas cooker. After some minutes I open it. So it was like this. I decided to cover it back. Then after about 15 minutes, this is how it came out. Looks so amazing. This is the side that was laying down the pan. So later I turned it so that the other side will get done. This is how it came out. It came out very well, guys. You can't believe it. So right now I'll be cutting it so that you guys will see inside how it looks, how it came out. Oh my god, I feel like, I don't know how to say it. It's so amazing. So guys, here is the final. You can see it here. So simple to make. If you are a mother, try this recipe out. Trust me guys, your kids are going to fall in love. Yeah, this is it. Thank you all guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Till I come your way again. Bye.